Hello guys, welcome to today's sewing tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you how to sew this V collar neck on your clothes. It is very easy, I promise you. So as you can see on my fabric here, I have cut out the neck, the normal neck, and also cut out the V shape on the center. So the next thing I'll be doing is to cut out this fabric, which has the width of 2.5 inches, and the length is undefined because at the end of the joining we are going to cut out the excess. So I'm going to fold this fabric. I'll fold it in two using my hemming gum to give me this neat folding. Okay, we are done folding, and the next thing we'll be doing is a very easy thing before we go to the sewing machine to continue. So the next thing we'll do here is to mark 0.5 inches away from the center on both sides. Yes, as you see me doing here, you mark 0.5 inch from the center, away from the center on the both sides, and also from the end points of that V you mark 0.5 inch downward and you join this line. Alright, we'll be taking this to the sewing machine to join. Please join me as I stitch. I want to bring this to you guys that it's very important you iron as you sew. Iron every seam, everything, every angle as you sew. You iron. It is very important to give you a neat work at the end of the day. Don't be one of those fashion designers who iron only at the end of their sewing. I didn't show you how to cut this collar, but if you know how to cut the vintage collars, vintage shirt collar, then this will be very easy for you. It's just same way, and we are using the hairstay gum for this collar and not the normal collar gum. That's thick collar gum. We are not using collar gum for this. Please take note. If you want it to come out well, use the hairstay gum. The collar is a light collar, not a strong collar like your normal packet shirt. So please follow these procedures and you will get same results as mine. Here is our final result at the end of the day, guys. I'm so sorry I didn't show you how to join the collar to the shirt. My phone went off, so I wasn't able to make a video on that, but I promise I'll make a video when next I am sewing something like this. I'll make a video showing you how to join the collar. And if you find this helpful, guys, please do well to like, drop a comment, and also share this to your friends and family, or you'll tag them on the comment section below. Please do also follow me on Facebook at PJ Fashion, on YouTube at PJ Sewing Tutorials, and also on Instagram at Prince_Jimmy_Fashion.